So today we're going to learn about text alignment. Text alignment is easy to understand in the strings category. So we have a thickness and also we have characters, right? So thickness is basically something that we can use for adjusting the either characters or space. Okay, so we have right adjust and left adjust and uh, center, right? So how does that work? Well, let's look at the examples right here from Geek for Geeks, and they have this really cool examples. So if you look at the center, it will take the strings and try to print inside the delimiter of center this functions right here. So we the centers will try to print 40 characters of a hash characters, and within that hash it will just the string itself will take over that hash from the center, right? So it will just push the evenly basically to the on the left and the right side of the hash. So that way the string is in the center. Okay, so for how about for the uh, something like a different character, a different functions like left adjust and right adjust. Well, it will similar to the hash, it will just print the dash on the right, right, for the left adjustment, and then uh, the string on the left. So we'll just push it there. So for the right adjustment, it will just print that dash on the left and then string on the right. So very simple to understand, and that's how it works for text alignment. So now we're going to try to basically put this cone in appropriate locations. So a cone is basically made up of two right triangles, combination of two right triangles, and H characters. This the middle one here, right? So that's why we have this in the middle, and we have left and right adjustment. So right adjustment and left adjustment. So right here we are multiplying with the characters right here with in the triangle, right triangle scenario. So it will look like a right triangle, but we will combine from left and right. So right for right here we will say adjust, and then for from here we will say left adjust. So the here and then left adjust. Okay, so let's try and run this code. So it will work from, and there we go. So we have a Christmas tree, and the same principle applied to this bottom cone, but it will be different for we will have to adjust the last, we will have to move it to the right. So let's repeat the process from the above right here. So our adjust, and then we will have left adjust right here, adjust, and then we will have to move the whole cone, this right here, to the right. So that will be our adjust, right? So yeah, so that will be our bottom cone, and then we will have the middle, which is the rectangle right here. So it looks very simple, right? So we just have to move it to the center, and just like we learned the center, we will have to use this adjusting line adjuster, they use we don't include any things right here. So the delimiter, in the default, the delimiter itself is space. So that's why we can we only see the H characters in the middle, right? So right here we will put it in the center, the H character C right here with the thickness, and then we'll have to move these pillars in the center as well. So this will be evenly divided. So look again. So we see that. So we have evenly divided into this scenario for this pillar, and then the other half is in this scenario, right? So um, we're just basically combining that half and half pillar. So which is why we have to put it in the center from uh, the left pillar and the right pillar. So we will just have to repeat it for the bottom pillar as well. So center and then center. So I think this will work. So it will uh, run this code and hopefully it will work for everything. So yeah, and that's our solutions for text alignment. And yeah,